This exceptional Sherwood property in Parrett Mountain View Estates offers a rare combination of luxury, privacy, and connection to nature. From downtown Sherwood and outdoor recreation to the Willamette Valley's wine country, it's all within easy reach of this 1.39-acre estate. Inside, discover a dramatic curved staircase, soaring 20-foot ceilings, and walls of windows, with indoor and outdoor entertaining spaces throughout. The kitchen features sub-zero refrigeration, double ovens, a 6-burner range, and an expansive walk-in pantry. Just beyond, the formal dining room provides an elegant setting with a beautifully appointed wet bar near the dedicated home office. The main level primary suite is a private retreat, complete with outdoor access, a spa-like bath, and an expansive custom closet. Upstairs, multiple ensuite bedrooms provide space and privacy for family and guests, along with an exercise room and access to a private balcony with spectacular views, plus a relaxing new hot tub. And one of the home's most memorable surprises awaits. Tucked behind a hidden bookcase, a spiral staircase leads to a private theater, bar, and half bath. Outdoor living is equally impressive with a bocce court, greenhouse, garden, and wooded trails, all in a tranquil setting. Enjoy garage space for more than 6 vehicles with EV-ready service. Private, spacious, and full of unexpected details. Experience the best of luxury living in a truly special natural setting. To schedule your personal tour, please contact Steve Nassar at 503-805-5582.